Hey there, thanks for joining us. Be sure to watch this entire video as we guarantee it will be worth your time.
Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. This is my CourseReel AI review. So what is CourseReel AI? CourseReel AI is a cloud-based software that uses AI to create video courses with just a keyword. And we're in the members area and we're on the dashboard, and I'm going to give you an overview demo of CourseReel AI. And before I go through the demonstration that I'm going to go through, I'm going to tell you that the demo by the vendor is in a link down below this video. I didn't put it in my review. So if you want to learn more information about CourseReel AI, I strongly recommend that you watch that demo that's in a link down below this video. There's two links there. There's one that goes to my bonus page, and then the other one will say CourseReel AI Demo. So if you want to watch the demo by the vendor to learn more information about CourseReel, I strongly recommend that you watch that video that's on that link. So anyway, it starts out with that demo video, and I'm not going to play that. But what I am going to do is show you a couple of examples of some courses that I created, and I did them very quickly with this program. So I'm going to play those now, and then I'll come back and go through the rest of the demonstration and show you how I did it.
Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing in which a merchant promotes and sells products or services on their website, and customers are able to purchase these products or services through a link on the merchant's website. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, as it allows businesses to make money without having to create their own products or services. In order to get started in affiliate marketing, there are a few things you will need to do. 1. Find a niche. 2. Find products or services to promote. 3. Join an affiliate program. 4. Promote products or services.
Okay, that was the first example. I'm going to play another example, but I could have took a lot more time to really tweak that out and made it a lot nicer. It really needs an intro, and I did use the text-to-speech engine inside the software. So anyway, I'm going to play that next example, and then I'm going to come back and go through the rest of the demonstration.
Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest forms of marketing, and the internet has made it possible for businesses of all sizes to participate. 4 key players in affiliate marketing. The merchant, also known as the retailer, product owner, or brand. 2nd, the network, also known as the affiliate program. 3rd, the publisher, also known as the affiliate. And 4th, the customer. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing, which means that the merchant only pays the affiliate for results, such as a sale or a lead. This is different from other forms of advertising.
Okay, those were just a couple of examples of some slides that you could use in courses, and that one was on affiliate marketing. If I took a little bit more time, I'd tweak it out a little bit better. But anyway, it's just for demo purposes, so you kind of know what it looks like. I did use the text-to-speech engine. You don't have to use the text-to-speech engine. You can use music, or you can add your own voiceover. So I want you to be aware of that. We're on the dashboard, and this is the dashboard. And this is where your courses will be. This is the integrations, but I'm going to show you what services it integrates with. So I'm going to click that, and it integrates with Facebook, YouTube, Cyvid, ScriptReel, TrimReel, LiveReel, Sonority, and VideoReel. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and then here's help if you have a problem, and here's your profile settings. Here's your account, privacy settings, account management, upgrades. Now, I always recommend that you go through the funnel when you get upgrades, because then you get access to the downsells, and then you get real merge, and then you got help and support, and here's where you can sign out. Anyway, in order to create a course, you push the Create Course button. Okay, and then you need to name your course. So I'm going to name this one, we'll name it Dog Training. Be different. Okay, and then I'll push Next. Then you enter a keyword to get the AI engine to give you articles. Now, one thing is you might need a different article for your course. So what I did in my bonuses is I threw in 500 niche articles. So you want to check that out. So you're going to have more articles that you can use in this program than the ones that they got in the AI engine. So anyway, in order to get courses or text for courses, you put in here a keyword. I'll put in here dog training. I can spell. You push save. And then it'll recommend chapters. So you can add these. I recommend that you only add one chapter in at a time. But you can add all these different chapters, and it's pretty good about finding them in order is what I'm trying to say. You see Introduction to Dog Training, Basic Commands and Dog Training Methods, Sit, Stay, Come, Down, and other basic commands, leash training. It goes right in order for dog training. But what I'm going to do is add this Introduction to Dog Training. Okay, and then I'm going to save. And then you add a script. So you select the chapter, Introduction to Dog Training, and then you can create and write and update the content that goes into the video, or you can upload your own, or you can record your audio. So what I'm going to do is use the AI engine and create an article. Now you can use one of them niche articles that I got in my bonuses too. You don't have to use this, but I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to push the create and write and update. So it's creating creating the content, it says. Okay, this is what it came up with. Now, what I recommend that you do is you go and you get Notepad or some kind of a editor, Notepad editor. I'm just going to go to Notepad here, and you copy this. You can copy this, copy it, and go to Notepad, and then you paste it in here. And I recommend that you take and you make these into smaller sentences. So you'll go right here and then you go like this and you put a space in there. Space. Where it's a period. Space. 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 Yeah. Space. I'm not going to do the whole article, but you get the idea. You find the end of the sentence and you put a space in there. I don't want this video to go too long, but you get the general idea. And then you copy this. Then you go back into this part here where it says to add your content in here. You'll add the content in here, and then you'll paste that in here. Okay? And you have to do this. You have to push Control-Enter at the end of each sentence. Okay? Because that separates the slides. So you go right here, and then you push Control-Enter. And then it'll put that little, I don't know what it's called, but it puts that there to separate the slides. Made this a little longer than what I should have for a review video, but you get the general idea. Now on the last slide, you don't want to put that there because otherwise it'll add a blank slide on there. Now you could add the blank slide on there and put an outro or whatever, watch the next video in the series or something to that effect. But once you get that, you just push convert to video. Okay, now it's not going to come up with all dog training related videos, but it did do pretty good on this one here. But you're going to have to edit this stuff. So you can move this, and you can change the background color, but you got to go up here to text. See the text over here? And then you can change the background color by going to the background color, and I'll just change it to dark blue. See how it changed? And you can add that to all of them by pushing this button here. And because it's so big, you can make it change the size. You can position it wherever you want. Okay, that's slide 1. And I recommend after each time you push save, because then it will save. You don't have to go back. Now here's one that doesn't have a dog background, but what I did is I adjusted all the slides where I wanted them first, like this, and then push save. And then I went to the next slide, and then I adjusted this. Because you're going to have to do a little bit of tweaking with this program, and when it's done, you might have to do some editing. So you are going to have to do a little bit of tweaking to get these the way you want them. But every time you edit a slide, you push save, and it saves your spot. You don't have to do it again. Okay, and then you go up here and push save again. Back down, go to the next slide. This has got a cat on it, but anyway, I'm not really that worried about the perfection of this, because if I was going to use it, I would take a lot more time on it. I think you get the general idea. You have to edit these a little bit, and then you position them where you want them. And you push save. And we move this over, slider over here. I made this article a little long, or this video a little longer than what I should have. I think if you took some time, this program would be really nice, but I've got to speed this up. I made way too many slides. I'm going to keep the background on that one, but I am going to change that. In order to change the background, you just go to the backgrounds, and then you'll put in here dogs or dog training. And this is for images, video, color, and upload. So you can upload your own images. You don't see one that looks congruent with what you're trying to do, but I'm just going to use what they give me here. I'm going to use that one. And you push save again. Then you go to the next slide. Just take this one. I don't like that one. Don't like that one either. I don't like them small ones. Looking for a bigger one. Here's one. I'll take this one. For the next slide. That one's okay. I'm going to get rid of the cat. I'm going to go ahead and use that one even though it's small. Try to speed this up a little. We'll just save. We'll just go ahead and save. Like I said, I'd take a lot more time if this wasn't for like a demo video. I need to move that down. I see that. I need to make a little adjustment on here. I must not have saved. Should I save? Go here. I'll just go ahead and save that. And then this one's okay. Save. Okay, well that's how that works, and that's how I did it. And then when you want to add text to speech or voiceover, this is the options that you have. I use the AI voices. So you just select a language. I used British English, and then Brian. And then what I did is I went over to the text section, and I went to the first slide, text section, and then I copied this, copied it. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this. I'm just going to show you how I did it. And then I pasted it in there. Okay, and then you got the British English, Brian Mail, and then you just push generate. Then you can preview it, or you can use it. So I'm just going to push use. But anyway, that's how you do that. I'm not going to do that on all these slides. That'll make this video way too long, but that's how you do it. Okay, here's the story. I'm going to go through these tabs. This is the story. I broke it down. It's the one I broke down. And here's where you edit the text. You got these different options on the text. And this is where you can change the background. And you can use video. You can use color. And you can upload your own. And then here's media. So you can add some media inside here, okay? I'm not going to do that, but if you wanted to search for dogs, just do it real quick. You could add a image in there. See? So anyway, I'm not going to save that, but you could add another image inside there. That's what I'm trying to show you. So anyway, and then the next one is VoiceOver, which is what we went through. And you can use Sonority. That's a program by this company. And then upload VoiceOver, and you can record. Okay, so you can do that. Then you can add music, which I'm not going to add any music. That's the reason I'm not putting the demo video in here, because it's got music in the background. And I don't want any copyright strikes on my YouTube channel, so I put the demo by the vendor down below. So if you want to watch the demo by the vendor, there's a link down there. It's below my bonus link. So you want to check that out. It's called CourseReel AI Demo. And then you can also upload your own music over here, or you can use the music that's on here. Then you can add transitions. These are the different transitions. And then here's the settings, and you can change some of the settings. You can add a logo. If you want to add a logo, you just upload a logo. Add a watermark. Gives you different positions. Duration in seconds. Take that off. And then you can adjust the volume. You can adjust the music volume. This is a voiceover volume, music volume. So that's the settings. And then credits. Now you can add an intro and an outro. This is what I didn't do on my examples, which I should have done, but I didn't do it. But anyway, this is just a demo video anyway. And then when you're happy with everything, you just push save. And then when you want to render it, you just push render. And you can edit it after it's rendered. Now it takes a bit for it to render. I'm not going to play the video. I'm not going to wait for it to get done. It just will take too long. So anyway, that's how CourseReel works. I showed you some examples. I showed you how to edit it. I showed you how quick it is. And it is going to take some tweaking on your part. So I see a lot of uses for this program. I could use it myself because I want to make a video training series. So anyway, if it looks like something that you might be interested in, or you're interested in my hand-picked bonuses, all you got to do is click the link down below this video, go to my bonus page, push the button on my bonus page, purchase the program, and you'll get access to CourseReel AI and my hand-picked bonuses. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, push that notification bell, make a comment. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.
So, if you want to get the best possible deal, please check out the link below.